Here's my 260Z. It's a Datsun 1974. Got the head off. Got the head right there. Open it up to do the valve lash. And that's what I got right there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got a bunch of corrosion, like old oil in it. So what I'm gonna do is do a motor flush, put some pretty cheap oil in it and another cheap oil filter. Already changed the oil out, but as you can see, that's nasty. So what I'm gonna try to do is clean out the oil and then do the motor flush and then run it for about 10 minutes. That's what it says, 5 to 10 minutes, and see what it does. This is a 44-year-old engine, so probably gonna have to do more work to it just to get it clean. I'm gonna have to take the head off later on, but right now I just want to get it slightly clean. We'll see if the motor flush does anything to it. I'll show you guys after I put it back. But that's it for this video. Probably in a day or two I'll upload another video with the valve off. We'll see how clean it gets.